welcome back to my channel. Today is a really exciting day because I got my iPhone 13 and I'm ready to unbox it and share all of my first thoughts with you guys. So let's get into it. So I got the iPhone 13 Pro. Now I've never had like the Pro iPhones. I've just had like, my last one was the iPhone 11. I didn't get the Pro, but I went with the Pro this time because I heard that it had a better camera, and that is something that I was really interested in with my business and everything. I want to make sure that I have a camera that can take really great pictures for my Instagram, for my website, all of that. So that's kind of why I went with the iPhone 13 Pro instead of just the iPhone 13. So let's unbox this together. I'm really excited. I got the blue one. Look at how pretty that is. It's almost like a blue-gray sort of color. All right, let's go in with the most satisfying thing. Yes. So right off the bat, things that I love about this, I love how they changed like the edges of the phone. You guys can kind of see. I like have overhead shots to show you a little bit better, but comparing it to my old phone, let me show you guys. So the old phone is like more rounded and it's also thinner, which I didn't really like. Honestly, I love that this is a little bit thicker, so I really like that. And I like that it's kind of more, reminds me of like the iPhone 4. I think it was the 4 that was more like this, and I really like that versus this. This one just kind of felt, I don't know, a little more cheap to me, I guess, and I just was never really in love with the rounded edges. Just my personal preference though. So yeah, I'm gonna go set this up and then I will share with you guys an overhead shot and we will go into the differences that I can tell. Obviously this is just a first impression, and maybe in one of my vlogs I can give like an update on how I'm feeling about the phone, but for right now it is just gonna be a first impression on my thoughts. I'm gonna take a picture with the camera and share my thoughts on the camera, since that was a big thing that I wanted out of this iPhone, was a better quality camera. So we're gonna test all that out in just a few minutes, but first I have to set it up. Okay guys, so here is what the new phone looks like. And the look is pretty similar to the old phone. I mean, I had like updated it, so it definitely looks similar, except for like it has this stuff at the top. So I guess there is a difference, but I believe they're both on the same iOS or whatever it's called. So I don't know if this is just like new to the phone, or I don't know, because I just updated this, so it should be running the same. Anyway, so it kind of just basically looks the same in terms of like all of that. But you guys, the camera, this is everything that I ever wanted in an iPhone camera. I'm so happy with the changes. I don't know if it was because I got the Pro or if the other one would have been like this, but you can go into your camera. There's so many different settings you can change, and that was always the one thing that bothered me about the iPhone camera, is that you couldn't change settings within the app. Apparently there is an app that you can get that can allow you to do that, but like the older, at least the older models of iPhone wouldn't let you do that. And I know like James has an Android and he could do all these like cool changes and stuff, but like the iPhone just wouldn't let you. But like now I can like zoom in, zoom out. I mean, you could do that before, but like now there's a button to do that. But see, now you can like do all these like cool like changes of light and whatever. And then this one is like the crazy, there's like a cinematic one. And let me just show you guys this video that I took. I don't know if you can really tell well on video, but it actually blurs out the background and like it only focuses on what like you tell it to focus on, which I thought was really cool. And then if you go into your settings and you go into the camera settings, you can actually choose like the different styles that you want your camera to take. So you can like do a cool tone, a warm tone, a vibrant one, a rich contrast, a standard style, which this is just so exciting to me, because this is like the one thing I've always hated about my iPhone was the camera. So the fact that like there's all these different choices now with the camera makes me so excited, and is definitely worth the upgrade. So as far as I can tell, there's not like a ton of differences on like other things, but obviously this is just my first impression. I haven't even really had time to try out the phone. Like, I've not even made a phone call on this phone. I did send a text message, but that was about it. So I haven't even transferred all of my apps over, but if you guys want to see a what's on my iPhone video when I get it all set up, let me know. But for now, you guys, this is everything I wanted in a camera. Let me know if you guys have the 11 Pro or the 12 Pro, if the camera did this on those, or if this is like an actual new upgrade to the camera, because if it is, they nailed it. I'm so excited that they finally made a change that makes me feel like, oh, the camera quality doesn't suck, because I always just felt like it took fine pictures, but like I always recorded like all my videos and stuff like that I would put up on YouTube on actual cameras, because I just felt like this quality was not very good. And now I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. So anyway, but yeah, I'm basically, if there's other things you want to hear me talk about, let me know in the comments below. Mainly my main thing was just the camera. Like I said, I love how sleek the design is. Definitely reminding me of the iPhone 4. It's definitely giving me all the iPhone 4 vibes. I think it's just a like sleeker, nicer looking phone as compared to like the iPhone 11. So I absolutely love this. I think this might be my favorite iPhone that I've owned. And I've had the 4, the 5C, the 6S, the 8, and the 11. So I think I've had 5 iPhones since it came out, or since I started using iPhones. I think that's right. So I've had quite a few, and I think this one might be my favorite in terms of just the design, the look to it, but also the camera. Guys, I cannot stop raving about the camera because I'm so excited. Like, this is gonna change my Instagram, my TikTok, my just photos in general. I'm so pumped about this. So anyway, I'm sorry I'm like rambling about the camera, but that was the one thing that was like the main focus of me getting this phone. Other than it was time for an upgrade, I wanted something that was gonna have a better camera, and Apple finally delivered on that promise of like a nice camera. So I'm very, very excited about that. But let me know if you guys have any questions, anything you wanna know more about. I'm not a huge techie person, but when it comes to the camera, I was, shut up about the camera, Rachel, just stop talking about it. But if you guys wanna know like what's on my iPhone when I get it set up, or you want to see more in depth of certain things, let me know in the comments below. I can definitely do like an updated how I'm feeling about it like a month later or something video. So let me know in the comments below. So as you guys can tell, I am so excited about this phone, about the camera on the phone. I absolutely love it. Obviously, this is day one. I will give you guys an update throughout Vlogtober and like how I'm feeling as I go. But like I said, if you have any questions about anything or want to see more in depth on something on the phone, let me know. And I will try to do an updated video. I will definitely do like a what's on my iPhone video if you guys want to see that. But first impressions of this are this is the best iPhone that I've ever owned. I'm so excited. Just between the look and feel of it and the camera, I'm sold. I'm like, this was the right purchase. Like, no regrets. So I'm very excited about it. I love the color. I just think it's so pretty, and I love it. I love it, you guys. So anyway, that is my first impression unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me, and don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos and for like future updates on how I'm feeling about it. Let me know if you got the iPhone, the new iPhone, which one did you go with? Which color did you go with? I would love to hear it in the comments below. But that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.